Hello everybody, welcome to my another video tutorial. Today I'm here to show you one Excel main function, and it is very important for you also. So let's begin. So I'm here in my Excel. So we'll be joining two cells into one, and it is very simple, and I'm going to show you here. So how to make two columns of data and join them into one column. This process is called concatenation, and we will use the join operator AND function. You can see the AND shift plus 7 AND function. Yes, that is right. Formulas are not just for numbers anymore. Also, I will show you how to double click the fill handle to copy a formula down quickly. So let's get started. So first I'm here to join two cells into one. So I will be doing here by also zooming. Okay, we will select this first function, first cell, and then comma, and then by joining we will use shift plus and function. Okay, and then this function and this we will be giving space here. For space we will put into inverted comma, and again and then we'll choose second function and we will click enter. Now you will see it is combined into one cell, and we will drop down this all. So that's the changes. And if I will choose here, right here, anything, you can see the changes here, and if I choose, you can see the changes here. So in this way you can put into one cell. And for this is in formula bar. We will go for value, and we will this two and copy here and drag from here to anywhere. So you can do by this way and do your work easily. So in this way you can do. I hope this video helps you a lot. Please subscribe to my channel to get more tips and tricks like these videos. So and just share this video. Thank you so much.